Good evening, Makosi Amatle. Breaking news, fresh news, amazing news. Carsten Sereno has officially agreed personal terms with Kaizer Chiefs, meaning his move is almost imminent considering the fact that he's a free agent, meaning we don't have to negotiate with any club, meaning that he'll sign very soon with us. Man, it's a big signing, man. It's a big, big, big signing. When you look at his stats at Sundowns over the past years, 200 games, 60 goals, 60 assists. That's impressive. Even if I was a European midfielder for those stats, it's amazing stats. Vincent Boule, a Pirates legend, has 10 goals and 20 assists in about 150 games for Orlando Pirates as a winger. This guy's a midfielder and he has 60 goals and 60 assists. That's impressive on its own. Again, man, it's a big signing. He wears the number 10, I think. He should be wearing the number 10 immediately. It means Matlao Mdantsane, the career at Chiefs is almost over because we've got 10 camps now. I mean, 5 camps. Mdantsane, Mdushabalala, Matlao, Gosipile Ngobo, and now Sereno. And Sereno starts ahead of all those 4 that I've just mentioned. So it means Matlao or Mdantsane has to be converted into a winger or leave the club. It's a big signing, man. I'm very happy. People say we always sign Sundowns rejects or Sundowns legends who are old, just like Man United buys Real Madrid legends who are old, like Varane and Casemiro. But I don't think Sereno is here for the money. And maybe he is, but he's still quality, man. He's 31. He's not that old. It means he's got 2 or 3 years left of him in South African football. And I think this is the first signing that Nabi wants because I don't think he knows the 3 signings we've known already, because I don't think he knows about PSL the same way we don't know about the Egyptian league. Maybe he does. But no disrespect to the left back from Cape Town Spurs and Mongane Sam. I don't think those 2 signings take us to the very top. But I think Sereno takes us to the very top, man. Like, we competed Sundowns and what's this team? Sundowns and Pirates immediately. I think we overtake Super Sports and Cape Town City. But time will tell, guys. I'm very happy about the signing. Please tell me what you think about the signing. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'm out.